My oldest needed some Christmas presents to give to family members this year, so I figured I'd start teaching him the tradition of building instead of buying. He's 5 years old, and this is his very first woodworking project. We started by practicing a little sketching on a sketch pad, and then moved on to the wood pieces. This is his introduction to the scroll saw. I kept my fingers on top of his the whole time, and I controlled the blade with my foot pedal so I could stop it instantly at any point. And then we got to work cutting out our trees.
There we go.
Woo-hoo. Watch this.
He thought it was pretty cool how the pieces fit back together just like a puzzle.
Yeah.
Watch.
Last cut. Put your fingers back here.
So I'm gonna go like.
Yeah, so keep your fingers back here. There you go.
Whoa!
Tossing the offcuts down on the floor was definitely a highlight for him.
We're gonna change the bit. So this is called the drill bit.
We did a little in-service training on the drill press. We took out the old Forstner bit.
Oh, cool. I'll see if it fits. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So.
And then he was pretty stoked that he got to pick out the drill bit for the ribbon hole on the trees.
Which size do you think would be good to put a ribbon through? Good. Okay. So we gotta. There.
This is gonna be fun.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Turn it on. Look at that, you got a hole.
What?
You got a hole.
Oh!
This was our sanding lesson. Didn't take long, and he picked right up on it.
Back and forth. There you go. Good job. There you go. I'll do that right there. Watch out for your fingers. Put our trees on there. And then we can won't get on my back. Cool.
My wife's an artist, so we have all kinds of art supplies around the house. These paint pens were pretty awesome because I didn't have to worry about brushes and so much of a mess.
What you done?
How's that look?
Ornament.
And done. A lot of people keep commenting on my other videos how I keep my shop so clean, and now you know the secret. Happy holidays, everyone, from the Weber Woodshop. See you later.